Hey, how's it going? So I'm over here by my bird feeding station. My crow friends just left. But if you've ever watched my videos, I also have hawk friends, and they come and perch on my fence here looking for an easy meal of the birds and other things. Sometimes they'll perch down on that fence down there. But often when I'm out here, he's way up there watching. And there he is. That is a Cooper's hawk. And he's checking everything out, but I know what he's watching. There's rabbit number 1. There's rabbit number 2, and they're making babies. And I've seen him make a meal of those babies many times. Cycle of life. Pretty neat.